which had before now declined due to unfair competition from cheap Chinese imports. So we expect to see the resuscitation of the Kano textile industry in response to the garment manufacturing demand in Lagos. Power has remained a major cost factor and an inhibitor for the expansion of industrial activity in Nigeria. We have taken a multidimensional approach by working on both off-grid and on-grid solutions led by the private sector. So by May this year, we'll be adding 450 megahertz to the national grid when the Azura project in Edo goes live. This is the first fully privately financed power plant in Nigeria, and test power of about 30 to 50 megahertz is now on the grid, preparatory to the May start-off. At the same time, we're putting off-grid solar capacity in small industrial clusters in key commercial centers. In collaboration with the Kano State government, we are, with a wholly owned Nigerian company, installing a solar standalone system to power the Sapon Gari market. When completed, it will provide power for 12,000 of the shops and enterprises there. At the moment, it's providing power to about 1,000 shops. The assembly plant for the system itself is in Kano. In Lagos, we're looking at possible power solutions also for the printers in the Shomolu printing cluster. As I said, our emphasis is on small business. The interventions that we're trying to make is on small business clusters. And in collaboration with the Lagos State government and the private sector owner of the IPP at Marina, we're building a distribution network that will take metered power to the Sura market. In our area market in Aba, we are working with a wholly owned company to supply power to our area market's 31,000 shops through a dedicated gas-fired IPP. Now, this is already the largest SME hub in West Africa. All these products are locally manufactured, and electricity will be 20% cheaper than what they currently pay. We expect that in the next few months, mobile payments will come on stream. In other words, people will be able to make payments from their mobile phones. And we expect that this will greatly assist the retailing of power to small businesses, amongst other businesses. At the moment, there's a 4% charge on payment platforms for making these kinds of payments. But once we get mobile systems going, mobile payment systems going, that charge will, of course, become much more competitive. Lagos have also proved that the federal system we operate